So students, now we will understand a small, very small concept that is called field of view. So very simple, you know, this is a mirror, this is a mirror, and we have an object here. So the image would be what? Would be at the equidistant, from here. So it would be, let's say, image is I. Okay. Now at this point, we will look at the farthest point. So it will go this way. Correct. Similarly, here the farthest point would be what? Correct. Now just connect this and connect this. Correct. So I can say this, right, and then the ray diagram is like this. Okay, so the field of view, basically what you are doing is you are looking at it from here. So the field of view, this is called field of view. Now let's take up a question related to this field of view. All right. Now the question is, there is a mirror. There is a mirror, let's say of length d, and in front of the mirror at a distance of L. Okay, at a distance of L, there is a source of light at a distance of L. Okay, now the question is to what maximum stretch, which is length, the men can see the image of light. Okay, now in front of this, at a distance of, as I said, now at a distance of 2L from this mirror, let's say at this point, there is a gentleman who is walking in this direction, which is parallel to the mirror, and this distance, as I said, is 2L. This is 2L. Correct. So this gentleman is walking parallel to the mirror. The question is how far what is the maximum stretch, means what is the length of this through which the gentleman can see the image of light inside the mirror. So now for that, I think one of the way can be, I'm sorry I have written it here, but let me utilize this space. Now this gentleman is is moving parallel to this mirror. Okay, so and this distance is again 2L because this is L. Okay, now what we have to do is let's first take the extremes of the mirror, because we have to, or let me first write the question: to what maximum stretch the men can see the image of light source inside the mirror. Okay, so first we will take the extremes of this, extremes of the mirror. which we are talking about. So basically, first we will see, we will talk about, see, if this is the mirror, this is a source, the image will be formed somewhere here, correct? Let's say this is S dash. Okay, now from S dash, we have to draw this, and basically this is nothing but this is, it is this is light, correct? Similarly, from this you have to take, right, and this is again here, correct? Again, okay. Now this is the stretch we are actually talking about, because once this person, gentleman, moves out of this, this range, then he will not be able to see the image of light source inside the mirror, because he'll be out of. So we have to find this. Now how to do it? Very simple. If you look at this, let's join this. If you look at this triangle, let's take this triangle and let's redraw it. So if I draw the triangle, then I can see that, this is whole d. So this is d by 2. So basically this is d by 2. This is 2L, we know, and this is L. Okay. Now I can say, let's name it, it's A, C dash, S dash, P and Q. Okay. So if I have to put it, this is A, and this point would be C dash, and no, this is B. This is B actually. Yeah, this is B. This is B. This is C dash. This is C dash, and this is P, and this is R. So in this triangle, I can say AC dash by PQ. So same concept. See, this triangle and this triangle are similar triangle. In the similar triangle, the ratio of the corresponding sides would be equal. So this and this are corresponding, this and this are corresponding. So we will write AC dash by PQ is equal to S dash C dash by S dash Q. Correct? Or I can say AC dash by D by 2 is equal to 3L by L. Okay, L and L gets cancelled. So AC dash is equal to 3D by 2. Okay, now see, AC dash is 3D by 2. So the whole distance becomes 3D by 2 into 2. So hence the answer is 3D. So, or let me write. So total length is equal to AC dash into 2, which is 3D by 2 into 2. So 2 is equal to 3D. Okay, so this type of questions they sometimes ask. So it's very important if you can just go through it and bear with me. This, it's image of light, and this is the point B. This is image of light. Let me write it here. This is B point. It's image of light source inside the mirror. So that's how we will solve this question. Okay, so with this I'm taking a pause, we will continue with the next lecture and we will talk about few more interesting aspects.